Welcome back to the Electrician's Tool Channel. On the bench today, we have the Ideal Industries 61-347 True RMS digital multimeter. This multimeter was made available for sale November the 2nd, 2021. And of course, it's still in rotation to this day if you decided you want to purchase yourself one. This multimeter is a pretty decent multimeter. Ideal Industries, they're known for having some really nice tools. Also, the test equipment is pretty decent, and this one is no different. Also, you won't break the bank trying to purchase this one. In other words, you get more bang for the buck. Now, this model right here, the 61-347, is beneath its big brother, which is the 61-357. The only difference between those two is this one and the 357 is the count, the number of the count display is a little bit higher, if that means something to you. Also, the bar graph. The other one has the 61-357 has a bar graph, and they have a low OZ. This one is missing all of those things. Everything else, the other one has 61-357. This one has the same thing. It's a relatively large meter. It's not like, I mean, it's a normal size for a meter. But it's a nice meter. Take 3 AAA batteries to power this device up. And I'm going to bring you in a little bit closer so you guys can see just what's around the dial close up, okay? And then we'll just talk. But look, before I do that, I'm going to ask you guys, as always, if you're new to my channel and this is your first time watching the channel, I welcome you. I'm asking for your support to help the channel to grow. I am an electrician by trade, a licensed electrician by trade. I like to extend my hand out as a form of asking for your support. And just imagine you shaking my hand, telling me that you will give me your support. I'm talking to all my electrician brothers out there, as well as my HVAC, my tool lovers, DIYers, all of the above. I just want to get my channel, to help my channel to grow. So you can support it for free just by hitting that, looking at the channel. As you look right now at the video, you can hit that subscribe button that's located right beneath the screen. Hit that bell right next to it. And the only thing that's going to do is just allow me to notify you. Well, it won't be me. It'll be YouTube notify you that I have a new video out. And it'll put you in rotation of all my older videos. So if you're a tool lover, I'm sure you'll enjoy that. But I thank you. Thank you guys who've been hanging with me. And don't forget to support the channel. Anyway, I'm going to bring it a little bit closer, and I want you guys to see. Okay, and that's ready for IP52. I don't know which one that is. I guess it's maybe dustproof, waterproof. One of them is waterproof, one of them dustproof. I know there's IP67. I think that's waterproof. This one just may be dustproof. I'm not sure. But anyway, you see, it's rated Cat 3, 1000 volts, Cat 4, 600 volts, and it has a 10 amp max fuse. It's located right here for the amperage, microamp input, milliamp input, and you see the rest. So let me just scroll up a little bit to give you guys around the dial. Okay, you have an off button. The next one is AC and DC. It defaults to AC, let you know that it could be used either on an electronic bench or it could be used for an electrician. But normally when a meter defaults to AC, when you turn it on voltage, normally it's geared toward electronics. So you have AC DC voltage. The next one above that is ohms, continuity, diode. Above that is capacitance, hertz, duty cycle, temperature, that's Fahrenheit and Celsius. The next one is microamps, AC/DC, milliamps, AC/DC, amperage, AC/DC, and non-contact voltage detection, AC/DC. the soft keys, the one at the top up here, the selection button to get you to where you want to go over the whatever you're trying to measure. And I'll show you that in a minute. And the ones above, the one right next to it is for the backlight. Let me just give you an idea. This one, I was saying for the backlight. And the one above that's soft keys, the hold button, min, max, range, and relativity button to zero the device out. This rubber boot, it does comes off, but you don't have to remove it anymore to replace the batteries or the fuse. There's a compartment on the back. You just unscrew the tilting bell, and it comes off. They have a place on the back for your test leads to go, and nice large digits, I tell you that. And the selection button right here, like you see the AC symbol. If I were to press it, it should go to DC. Okay, that's what you do. And if you want to go to, just if you want to go to resistance right here, it's showing continuity at the moment. If I press it, it should go to one of the other ones. Like, okay, it's going to ohms, diode, back to continuity. So, pretty decent meter. I don't have, so far, I don't have any complaints about it. So look at the test leads. Okay, the test leads are, they're not the best, but damn sure not the worst. I've seen some worse than this, and these are not bad at all. If you ask me, it's better than the ones that comes out with the Fluke. The Fluke thing is garbage sometimes. You may get a good pair, and sometimes you may not get a good pair with Fluke. I don't care how much the meter costs. But these are pretty good. Pretty good. I don't have anything to say about them bad at all. They have the little, just the cap comes off on the front. And I don't think they have the threaded. Let me pull it off and see. No, it doesn't have the threads on it. So that means if you had a pair of alligator croc clips that you may want to slide right on, they'll fit. Okay, and as far as the back is concerned, let me just show you that. Let me back up some. Like I said, that's where the go. They also have a place for the hanging strap. The only problem with that is you got to buy that separately. Now, on one of my other meters, I had a Klein, that little, it looks like it made for the one that Klein, it fit on one of my other meters. It don't fit as tight as it should, but it did fit. You got the little strap and the little adapter. It did fit, but it wasn't tight. I guess the one Ideal has fits a little tighter than this one. I'm gonna have to try it out and see. But overall, I really think it's a good meter. I'm going to, in a couple more videos, probably in the future, I want to compare this meter with some other meters. I have a meter in mind that I want to try it against first. I want to go heads up with the Klein MM700. That's a pretty decent multimeter. Some of you may even own it, but that'll be on the same level as this one, and basically the same features as this one. So I want to go head up with that one and just see how well the Ideal Industry does against that meter. So let me see what else I can tell you guys that I haven't said. Let me see. I want to tell you that. Let me see. I think that's about it for right now. Until the next time, guys. I just wanted to put this meter out here. Oh, also, if you purchase this meter, what comes in a pack, you get the test leads, you'll get a K-type thermocouple, you'll get batteries, of course, cheap batteries. You get a certificate of like compliance, something like the little blue certificate that normally comes with the Ideal, saying that the meter's been tested and it's working properly. You'll get that, as well as that's about it in the case. And that's a lot. That is a lot. Nowadays, that's a lot for a meter. And again, the price is just right. It's a little bit, like I said, it's a little bit thicker than most ideal meters. If you see it, it's a little bit bigger. So, but that's okay. That's okay. I'm, you know, it's not the most prettiest or most prettiest meter in the world, but the design is kind of flawed. But it's okay. You can get past that. I like the backlight. It's real bright, white LED backlight, and large numeric font. I'm looking forward to pairing it up. So if you guys want to see that, let me know. Leave a comment. I got a few tests I want to send it through. I don't. Let me see. I'm trying to think of some things I could just send it through. But I do want to compare those two together, and I think that's what I'm going to do. So, guys, thank you once again. Don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss that video and that review. And in the meantime, you guys, and thank you for letting me take up your time. And you guys take care. I'm out.